Don't discriminate on sizes. If it fits you, wear it. If it doesn't fit you, don't wear it. Don't be so stuck on the 10 or the 6 or the 4, whatever it is, because I've tried a 0 on, and this is a double X, okay? Hey, this is Stacy, and from the Blue Keystone, I sew and sell modest clothing. I also have this resource where I do all kinds of stuff. Today we're doing a thrift haul, and not where I buy stuff, but I use the thrift store to help me create outfits. And I, on my Instagram, asked people what color they wanted me to choose. If you don't follow me on Instagram, there's a link down below and you can find all kinds of deals and fun stuff, know what's going on. And so on Instagram they said green was the color they wanted me to do, and I have 6 green outfits, and you'll see. Okay, I love this jacket. It is wool, and just look at the cut of it. It is just so neat. Let me show you the back. Look at how neat that is. You find a piece like this and it fits you, buy it. It is so well made. Such good quality. Okay, so supposedly this is a dress. That's where it ends. But I actually think that it's really cute. So this skirt, slightly dated, but you put it with this more of a modern top with the see-through and the green, and I think this is going to be a winner. We'll see. Here is a Southwestern look that I really like. No, this one might be too tight on me though, but tell me what you think of those greens. Do they go together? I guess it'll look different when I put it on. Again, I'm just going to put I think just a black shirt underneath that, but I could do something, and I have a lot of interesting top pieces, so I might change my mind over there. I'm just getting a ton of stuff. Get a ton of stuff and try it all on. Covered that up, and then just this very feminine look came out. I think this is gonna be so pretty. We'll have to see though. It may make my hips look like the Nile River. Some texture to it. So this texture stuff is really starting to come in. And look at what this does to the hangers. Look at what it does to this outfit. Like, just really steps it up a notch, gives it a lot of interest in that. Okay, so remember this dress I showed you? I thought it was so cool to put it underneath this. I have a black shirt. Maybe we can find something like a black skirt or something to put underneath that, and we'll try it. This is a size 0, which is not me, so it may not even see. This may be the last time you see that. This is just a very basic jumper, but you could like be comfy at home, and then before you ran out the door or church or whatever, you could put something more dressy on. We'll see if that actually goes, because this might be more casual and dressy. I don't know, things look different when you try it on. So don't just put stuff back, try it on. I just really like the texture of this one. This one is not silk, it's polyester, but if you can find a silk towel, wear it. It wicks moisture away and everything, just with a simple stripy skirt. So let's go try it on. So I really like this one because this is so comfortable. It's long enough. It's sleeveless though, so while you're down there, it has like a high low, but it's only like an inch, so it's just kind of weird, I think. And it is sleeveless, so you can wear it by itself, but it is really comfortable. And I think you can take it to dressy really quick. So, I don't know, probably not.
I like that.
Ooh. Maybe just open. I think you could probably, yeah, see this is just tacked on there. You could seam rip that off and then just leave it open. So there's our first green outfit. So the jacket is like way too big, but I do really like this part. But if I take it off, like, yeah, my hips just grow.
You look pregnant.
But I did get it on, and it's a size 0.
Wait.
This green outfit doesn't count, but I tried. So you'll have some successes, you'll have some failures, but try it. Okay, so I really like this one. I really like silk and not polyester. Pay attention to your fabrics. You don't want polyester because it shows when you sweat and it stinks. Don't do that, but this is really cute. Outfit 3. So this one, take those skirts that go mid-calf and hem them up, and then it brings it way into the bottom. See how the textured shirt that I said?
That is way cute.
That like really helps. Really helps. If I had a white top on here, you'd be like, why are you wearing your grandma's clothes? But like just the texture really brings it up. I'm telling you, find textured pieces because that is coming. I don't know. Not that you want to be in the fads, but it just feels a lot more not like old lady. So this is outfit 4? 4. Okay, so I tried this on with this and it's too tight right here. It needs to be looser.
Yeah.
And it looked like I had the baggy jacket on it. So I still think it's a failure, but I really like just this delicate edge. I don't know at this point how to fix it. But I do really like that. Okay, so if you have an idea of how this would work, tell me in the comments below or whatever, because I really like it, but it's not working with this. Or if you think it does work and I'm crazy. Okay, so the skirt is actually fits me perfect around the waist, and look, it is a circle. I will not spin for you, but I will show you. But the jacket doesn't fit me. Remember I said the jackets fit you perfect. Like see how it's slouchy? It should be up here on both sides. They should be shorter, right at the shoulder, and then there should be nothing like this. Don't get it because it's not going to flatter you. Like look, it kind of boxes me off, and I have a really small waist. So don't get it. So this is not for me. But that white jacket, I'll put it. I forgot. It's on this side. I'll put it over here, and you can see the white jacket that I got that fits me to a T. And I was lucky I found one that's white, but if the one you find is green, buy it because find something to wear with it because jackets make you look so good. But this is outfit 5 that's green. So this is nice, but it is like too tight on me here. She actually did it. So much better if it's loose. If that other one would have been loose like this, it would have been perfect. Because I know you have a lot of these just old prints in your closet. I know you do, because I do have them in my closet. Put it on with one of these like slouchy, holy sweaters. And even like with the top showing at the top, it just makes it a little bit more modern. This color looks better with the outfit, but this works too. This is outfit 6. This isn't bad either. The color is a little bit more brighter. I think that's what was wrong with the other one, is it's too gray. This one isn't bad. I still like the outfit better, but these nice little knit sweaters are really good for in modernizing any skirt. This is a size extra large. Okay, like look, here's the button. Okay, don't. Sorry. Yeah, you're fine. Don't discriminate on sizes. If it fits you, wear it. If it doesn't fit you, don't wear it. Don't be so stuck on the 10 or the 6 or the 4, whatever it is, because I've tried a 0 on and this is a double X, okay? So try it all on. If you like it, try it. If it's too tight, don't wear it. Okay guys, here is my lot. We pulled out a ton of clothes. Some of them, see that skirt in the middle I did not try on, some of them I did. You can do it too. 3 tips for you. Number 1, do not be a size discriminator. Try it on. I had a 0 and an extra large. Try it on if you like it. Tip number 2, if you find a neat piece, see if you can find something else that will go with it in the store. Don't cheat and wear it with a black skirt at home. Find something in the store that you can go with it. Like it will stretch your matching abilities. Number 3, try it on. Don't think, oh, it's not for me, it's not my color. Try it on. It may not be your color, but you won't know for sure until you try it on. Try it on, try it on, try it on. Number 4, fill up your basket. Put a ton of clothes in there. You're not buying them, you're just trying them on. If there's a limit here, there's a limit 6 limit. We have 2 carts here full of clothes. Put them outside your door and try them on.